Hello, in this video I'll teach how to take different data types as input and then print them back. So we will be taking int, double, string and char data type as input and then we'll print them back. So I'm going to use scanner object to take my inputs. So we'll create scanner object, say scanner in equal to new scanner system dot in. So we have created a scanner object, and using this object we can take input. So I'll take a variable, say x, which is an integer, and I'll use scanner object to take input in dot next int. This will take integer input. Now I'll take double d equal to in dot next double. Then I'll take string s equal to in dot next line char c equal to in dot next dot char at 0. So in dot next will take a string as input, and then we are telling that the character at 0th place is the required character. Now we will print all these variables. So we will print one by one. So here I am printing the word integer, which is inside the quotes, and then using plus I am separating the variable. Now in quotes I am printing double, and then the variable double, and then string, and then the word string, and then the variable which has the string, and then the word character, and then the variable c which has the character. That's it. Now let me run this program on a PC.
So here I have program written on my PC. So here S is the string variable, C is the char variable, X is integer variable, and D is double variable. I have used scanner object to take in respective inputs. Now I am printing in this order: first integer, then double, then string, then character. So let us run this program. So first input is our string. So let me give a string, say hello world is our string, and second input is our character. We'll give one character as input, and next is an integer, let's say 45, then a double 32.65, and then this is our output. Integer is 45, double is 32.65, string is hello world, and char is v. If you like my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.